like any other things, right? So you have these best practices, but unfortunately, a lot of people, they do not end up implementing it. So do you see down the road some kind of a compliance specifically coming for SBOM, or one of the compliance like FedRAMP or something like that, kind of asking for SBOM requirements, if you will?
I think we're going to end up there, but the first step really is going to be industry leadership of folks who care about it, demonstrating that they have this capability, especially now that this has reached the highest level of publicity and policymaker attention. So folks are just going to want to sort of show that they have this capability. And then perhaps more importantly, customers start asking for it in the private sector. Again, folks who are in the high assurance space, or who are willing to pay a little extra for security, or who are willing to work with their suppliers to say, yes, we want this level of engagement. But ultimately, we are going to see this just as part of any other security control. There's nothing magical about it. In fact, the goal is to make this turnkey. And so I'd like to see this slotting into existing models as we can verify that it scales and it meets the needs that we're trying to, and the goals that we're trying to execute here. So, FedRAMP has come up because in particular, maybe we can get into this later, one of the open questions we have is how does SBOM apply to SaaS and cloud-based software? Because right now, a lot of the use cases are about on-prem and embedded systems.
Got it. Makes sense. Makes sense.